Hey Night Riders, welcome back! Today, we're diving into a critical topic, safety tips for driving at night. Whether you're a night owl or just find yourself on the road after sunset, these tips are essential. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and let's illuminate your journey together. Let's roll! Why nighttime driving safety matters. Driving at night brings its own set of challenges, from reduced visibility to increased fatigue. But fret not, we've got your back with some fantastic safety tips. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe for more insightful content. Now let's get started. Tip number 1. Optimize your headlights. Your headlights are your allies at night. Ensure they're clean, aligned correctly, and at the right angle. Dim or misaligned headlights can hinder your visibility and jeopardize your safety. Tip number 2. Drive cautiously and stay vigilant. Reduced visibility means less reaction time. Maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front and be prepared for unexpected obstacles. Your quick responses can be a game changer. Tip number 3. Minimize distractions. Nighttime driving demands your full attention. Keep your phone out of reach and focus on the road. Distractions are especially risky in low-light conditions. Tip number 4. Schedule regular breaks. Night driving can be fatiguing, leading to reduced alertness. Plan your journey with breaks to stay refreshed and energized. Tip number 5. Watch out for wildlife. Animals are more active at night. Stay alert for sudden movements, especially in rural or wooded areas. Your caution can prevent accidents and save lives. And there you have it, Night Riders, our top tips for driving safely after dark. Safety comes first, so be sure to incorporate these tips on your next nighttime drive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow night drivers. Until next time, drive safe, stay illuminated, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.